Hi, Gary here from Living for Good Outdoors. Just out on a road bike trip to my favorite spot. My new favorite spot. Here it is. Wow, this is close to my house too. I am living for good right now. But I got this question. Here, look at this. Why do these trees still have autumn leaves? Why do these trees still have autumn leaves? Why do all these trees still have leaves that are colored, lingering, left over from autumn? And it is springtime. Here, move over here. Look at all these colored trees. Things that make you go, Oh, this is how we do it. It's Friday night. No, it's not Friday night, but this is how we do it. This is how you carry bikes through the woods. Like this. Over the moss. Man, really hate these guys. Well, look at here, little bitty baby.